Hello, today I will show you how to use the debounce effect. I use this effect to validate the inputs. It's very simple and it's very good for the user experience. As you can see, it basically starts to validate right after your user stop typing. So you can set the time after the last type your user did. So I will show you here. Here's the code. It's very simple. Basically is this use effect here with this return which clear the timeout. This timeout here, this set timeout. So now I will explain in a more deeply approach. So here I have these three states. The input value, it's very simple. It's just a component which receives the input value. Very simple. I will show here. Here we have the input is valid stage. You can use this to show or to hide something in the HTML. We also have the validation text, which is the text you can show to your user to say so it's not valid, it's valid, you need to do it, you need to do some other thing to resolve. So it's very simple. And here inside the timeout we have our if and else statements to validate. Here we have the time, this set timeout, and here we have this clear timeout. So every time you type, this code runs the clear timeout. So it stops to validate, and right after you stop typing, your user stop typing, it will run the set timeout function, which validates the inputs and show the messages. So it's very simple and it's very good. It's very easy to customize your texts and your logic. So it's a very good approach. I highly recommend. And it's, as I said, it's very simple. And also I will put this code on my GitHub, so you can download it. You can clone my repo to use it. And also if you need some help, some tips or something like that, you can just text me and I'll try my best to help you. So it's just this, very simple, and I hope it solves your problem or it can help you. So thanks and bye bye.